Hey folks, ready to embark on an epic journey with the Doogee V30 Pro? Buckle up because we're about to dive deep into what makes this device a game changer. Before we dive into the details, let's unwrap this gem and discover its secrets. The box proudly displays an impressive 512GB storage and a hopping 32GB RAM. So, this is the phone itself. Let's keep this aside and explore the other goodies tucked inside. We've got the screen protector and its accompanying accessories, ensuring your device stays scratch-free and pristine. This is the warranty card and necessary documents, essential for navigating the tech world with confidence. And last but not least, the 33-watt adapter, accompanied by a convenient Type-C to Type-C cable. Now, let's take a closer look at the phone. The Doogee V30 Pro boasts a stunning 6.58 inches Full HD plus IPS water drop screen. Just imagine being transported into a world of vibrant colors and captivating visuals, all thanks to this brilliant display. With the dynamic 120Hz refresh rate, the Doogee V30 Pro ensures that every swipe and scroll feels smooth as butter. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or scrolling through social media, this device delivers an unparalleled visual experience. At the front, the device features Corning Gorilla Glass 5, offering unparalleled protection for your screen. With its rugged shielding, wave goodbye to scratches and cracks, and rest easy knowing your device is secure and intact. At the top, there is 32-megapixel selfie camera from Sony. Every click delivers crisp, clear, and vibrant self-portraits that highlight your natural beauty like never before. The Doogee V30 Pro strikes a perfect balance between durability and style. Even with its rugged design, it retains a sense of aesthetic appeal, making it more than just a practical device. It's also visually attractive. This is a defining characteristic of rugged smartphones. On the left side, there is TFC card slot. It's like a little treasure chest that can hold not one, but two cards side by side. Down the line, there is a customizable red button. This thing is a game changer. You can program it for all sorts of tricks. One click. Double click. Even a long press. It's like having your own little sidekick right there. Now, if you turn the phone around, you'll spot the volume buttons along with a rapid side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Thanks to its ergonomic design and innovative dynamic pressure sensing technology, you can unlock your phone instantly with just a light touch of your fingertip. Plus, it boasts a lightning-fast response speed of only 0.19 seconds. The Doogee V30 Pro comes with a USB Type-C port at the bottom, all snug and protected by a tough rubber flap. No water's getting in here, folks. The phone features 4 speaker grills, 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. Equipped with high-quality dual stereo speakers certified by Hi-Res, the V30 Pro delivers an immersive audio experience like no other. Now, let's turn our attention to the back camera. Encased in an elegant round module, the Doogee V30 Pro features a triple camera setup with LED flash, boasting the incredible 200-megapixel ultra-clear main camera. From breathtaking landscapes to intimate portraits, this camera does it all with ease. Additionally, there's a 24-megapixel night vision camera powered by infrared technology, delivering exceptional image quality even in low-light conditions thanks to its advanced sensor and image processing capabilities. And rounding out the trio, we have a 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a macro camera, offering ample versatility for capturing everything from landscapes to close-ups. The phone also boasts an array of photography features that will elevate your creativity to new heights. From Morpho Super Night Mode to Pro Mode, this device empowers you to unleash your inner photographer and capture every moment with precision. With an underwater camera option, the Doogee V30 Pro ensures you're equipped for any photographic scenario. The Doogee V30 Pro can shoot videos in even 4K resolution and supported by EIS anti-shake technology. It minimizes vibrations for excellent image quality in videos. To truly gauge the camera's performance, it's best to check out our sample photos and videos captured using the Doogee V30 Pro. Let's dive in and see what this device is capable of. So talking about the performance, the Doogee V30 Pro is powered by the flagship-grade Dimensity 7050 octa-core 5G processor. The phone delivers lightning-fast speed and seamless multitasking. Whether you're gaming or streaming, this device can handle it all with ease. With a hopping 512 gigabytes of built-in storage, you can store all your favorite high-res photos and videos from your travels. And guess what? You can expand it even further with a microSD card, adding up to a mind-blowing 2 TB of extra space. Say goodbye to storage limits and hello to endless memories. And speaking of power, the V30 Pro comes with up to 32 gigabytes of RAM. That means you can run all your favorite apps simultaneously without any lag or slowdown. Plus, with its powerful processor and gaming performance, you can enjoy seamless gaming experiences wherever you go. The Doogee V30 Pro is IP68 certified. It can withstand drops, water, dust, and more, so you can take it on all your adventures worry-free. And with its massive 10,800 mAh battery and 33-watt fast charging, you can enjoy uninterrupted entertainment on the go. Need to charge other devices? No problem. The V30 Pro supports OTG reverse charging, so you can power up your wireless earphones, mobile phone, smartwatch, and more wherever you are. And let's not forget about Wi-Fi 6 technology, which brings lightning-fast speeds and improved battery life to the table. Whether you're streaming movies or video conferencing, the V30 Pro ensures a seamless and lag-free experience. Running on Android 13, the V30 Pro offers a personalized, secure, and seamless user experience. And with its easy launcher function, you can enjoy a simplified and stress-free interface. So, if you're considering getting your hands on this phone, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for tuning in to this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.